Students, today we are going to discuss about the other formation methods of ethylamine. In previous class, we studied its lab preparation method and reduction of methyl cyanides and some other for the forming of ethylamine. Today we take some other preparation methods and we know that how can be extracted ethylamine. So here we take another method. Reduction of acetamide. You know that CONH2 is the form of amide. When acetamide is reduced by the mixture of sodium and ethanol, then it makes ethylene. So its chemical reaction is given CH3CO NH2 reduced by nascent hydrogen. This hydrogen is produced by the mixture of sodium and ethanol. Na plus C2H5OH. Here, this carbon consumes two hydrogens for making their hydrocarbon CH2. And this oxygen also consuming hydrogens for the forming of water molecule. So it makes main product ethylamine C2H5NH2 and releases water molecule H2. So it is also the reduction method for the preparation of ethylamine. Now another method from acetaldehyde. Its formula is CH3CHO. It is also most important conversion reaction. Ethylamine from acetaldehyde. Or what happened when acetaldehyde react with ammonia and hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst. Then it is in the forming concept of this reaction. We say that acetaldehyde react with ammonia and hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst at 40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius temperature and 10 to 15 atm pressure to form ethylene. Here a chemical reaction. The formula of acetaldehyde is CH3CHO and react with ammonia NH3 plus hydrogen H2. In the presence of nickel catalyst, temperature is 40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius and temperature is near about, pressure is near about 20 atm max. Here hydrogens consumed by carbon for the making of CH3, CH2 and NH2. One hydrogen is consumed by this hydrocarbon to form CH3, CH2, NH2. Here two hydrogen atoms conjugate with oxygen to form water molecule plus H2. So we say that aldehydes are the best reactant for the forming of primary amines. Now another method, Schmidt reaction. It is also known as its nomination methods. It belongs the concept or chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Students, you know that the simple formula of carboxylic acid is RCOOH. Then carboxylic acid reacts with hydroxylic acid. The formula of hydroxylic acid is N3H. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it makes RNH2, release carbon dioxide, CO2 with nitrogen, N2, because here 3 nitrogen atoms are available. This is the common concept of Schmidt reaction. But here we studied the preparation method of ethylamine. So we used minimum 2 carbon series of carboxylic acid. Formula is given as CH3COOH. Here 2 carbons are available. So it is named ethanoic acid and also called acetic acid. It reacts with hydroxylic acid N3H in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Then CH3C. It consumes 2 hydrogen with nitrogen, H and single N to form CH3, CH2, NH2. CH3, NH2 release CO2 and plus N2. So it is in the forming reaction of methylamine. But here we studied the preparation method of ethylamine. So this reaction is most important for here because here we studied the forming method of ethylamine. CH3, CH2, COOH. It is known as propanoic acid because 3 carbons are available. It reacts with hydroxylic acid N3H in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. It makes CH3, CH2 and H2 plus CO2 or plus NO2. This is the formula of ethylene. So this reaction is known as Schmidt reaction. From the reaction of ethyl isocyanate from ethyl isocyanate. Here ethyl isocyanate react with caustic potash and after hydrolysis it makes ethylamine. So we say that here three reactants are used for the preparation of ethylamine. One is C2H5NCO. It is known as ethyl isocyanate. And next reactant is caustic potash, KOH. And after hydrolysis, it makes ethylamine. So reaction is given as C2H5NCO plus potassium hydroxide KOH. It reacts with one another to form C2H5NH2. Twice hydrogens are provided are conjugated with nitrogen. So it makes C2H5NH2. This formula is known as ethylamine, and potassium carbonate is produced because two oxygen atoms are available here and one is also. So it makes K2CO2. This is the also preparation or formation method of ethylamine or the preparation method of primary amines, 1 degree amines. Now next method, from the hydrolysis of ethyl isocyanate. From the hydrolysis of ethyl isocyanate. In this method, we used ethyl cyanide as a main reactant. So its formula is C2H5N triple bond C. This version is known as isocyanate. It reacts with water because the reaction caused on hydrolysis. So twice H2O. This nitrogen contribute their hydrogens to form ethylamine C2H5NH2 plus COO and single hydrogen make formic acid. Formula of formic acid is HCOOH. So here we studied the formation or preparation methods of ethylamine. Students, another class we take some important chemical reactions for the forming of ethylamine, and especially we discussed about the important reaction named Hofmann bromide reaction, because this reaction is known as the conversion of formation of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. So we know that how can we change the amines in their degrees. So we studied their chemical and physical properties, and last topic is known as their uses. Then we goes on another case for the study of their aromatic amines named aniline.